Are you looking for ways to build your streaming workouts through Facebook? In this tutorial, we are going through the process of streaming your workout on Facebook Live, some potential ways to improve the quality, and some benefits to consider. Welcome to this tutorial on streaming workouts through Facebook Live. My name is Tyler Valencia, and I'm the president of KIPS and Kettlebell Concepts. Facebook is a powerful tool for a fitness business and can be utilized to develop a business model where workouts are streamed and the members experience a high quality workout similar to a live setting. If you look at the state of the fitness industry, there are already big companies doing something similar. Their platforms are private and hosted through their website, but you can easily develop a low-cost model that attracts new members. Before going any further, please make sure to subscribe to KIPS for future content for fitness professionals. If you've seen our other videos on ways to improve your quality of stream workouts, you'll already know that we are big fans of the little details. In this video, we will go through ways to improve your lighting, video quality, and music details. In the description, you'll also find timestamp information if you're looking for something specific, as well as links to the products we mentioned throughout the tutorial. Let's start with the basics of going live on Facebook. This is a pretty simple process, and we'd highly recommend that you practice this privately to make sure you got all the settings down. Start by going to the section where you normally post a comment or photo. Once inside, select Live Video. In the next screen, you'll be taken to Facebook's streaming platform that has all the different settings. If you're looking to simply get started right there, go ahead and select Go Live in the bottom left. Easy as that. But if you're looking to make some adjustments, start by going to the Setup section, which is where you'll see options to change the camera, microphone, or start a screen share. This is where you can go to alter the input if you're utilizing a capture card or external microphone. If you move over to the Settings section, you'll find options for embedding, publishing, and viewing options. To the left, right above where you would press the Go Live button, you'll find options on where to share the stream, such as your timeline, to a page you manage, or in a group. Under that, you'll find the privacy option, which is also where you can go if you're looking to just do a couple practice rounds. Lastly, under the privacy and sharing options, you'll find the section to add a title or description for once it's posted. In this next part of the tutorial, we're going to go over a couple suggestions that can improve the quality of this service. Before jumping into the suggestions, it's important to note that these come from the fitness professional's perspective. While there is a lot of crossover with other industries that utilize similar technology, there's usually some minor details that can cause a headache or require some troubleshooting. Please make sure that if you purchase any additional products, that they are suitable for your needs and technical requirements. If you've seen our tutorial on going live with Zoom, you already know that we highly recommend the use of a capture card as a way to improve the quality of the video. Right now, in this tutorial, we're using the Sony a6400, but when I switch over to the capture card stream, you'll see that the video quality isn't that much different, especially when compared to the typical camera on a laptop. A capture card is essentially the tool that takes a signal from the camera and makes it suitable for the computer. There's a couple caveats to purchasing a capture card, and we would highly recommend that you watch our tutorial first. It's important that you look at the specs of the capture card you're looking at and make sure that it fits with the gadgets you have or are looking to purchase. In the comments, we'll link a couple that we recommend, but make sure you read the reviews and the specifications. When it comes to lighting, this can sometimes be a quick fix item that makes a difference for your members. Keep in mind that the cameras on a computer aren't always the best, but utilizing natural light, studio light, or a home light stand can be impactful. You can consider opening a window, or if streaming in the garage, consider opening the garage door. With these adjustments, make sure you check the effect on the video quality coming into your computer. By that I mean, don't just put the lights on or open up the door without checking the outcome prior to streaming with clients. Studio lights on Amazon start around $40 and can go as high as $200 and are typically a pay-for-what-you-get item. That means a $40 kit can work, but don't expect it to be the best on the market. With music and going live on Facebook, it's important that you tread smartly and not infringe on any copyright restrictions. If Facebook's algorithm catches music that you do not have a license for, your stream can be booted or you may have the option to utilize the video muted down the road, which really isn't ideal for a workout class. Facebook does have a library of music that is royalty free and can be used for Facebook or Instagram, but as you can imagine, the music isn't popular or typical music for a workout class. This is a limitation of using Facebook for workouts in our opinion, but something you can play around with your business. To get around poor music options and licensing, there are services that you can purchase music from that Facebook will not flag you for. One such is Epidemic Sound, which we will link in the description, but please make sure you do your research and find what works for your budget and your business model. The pricing on these services can be an investment, but if you're looking to make this a part of your business model, then it really isn't something that you should skip on. As we get into the benefits of using Facebook as a tool to utilize with your business, keep in mind that these are potentially paid ideas. If you're trying to figure out a way to use Facebook for a stream workout and sell it across the country, think of Facebook as your private platform to store the workouts. You can create a private Facebook group that you stream the workouts to and your members can view from home. A positive of this is that you don't have to worry about sending out a daily login link like on other platforms, and you don't have to worry about your members having their camera on or their audio on during the streamed workout. If you've tried other meeting platforms, you probably already know the headache of dealing with people not being able to figure out their audio or video. Another positive that we have heard from gym owners is the ability for members watching or those tuning in to provide feedback. As with many gyms or classes, community is an important aspect to provide a high quality experience. On Facebook, members can chime in while watching or provide commentary as they watch from work. Lastly, you can build a library of workouts that members can come to if they miss a workout. A common question members ask when they miss a live paid class is if they get a free class or how do they make up a class. Now, the workouts are on a private group and can be accessed once the member is ready to work out. That wraps up our tutorial on using Facebook Live as a tool to stream workouts. Please make sure to like the video, leave us a comment on how you might use Facebook Live for your stream workout as well.